Hi, David. I really want to improve my English speaking skills, but I don't know where to start.
That's great, Emma. Learning basic conversation is the best way to start. Today, I'll teach you some simple conversations that you can use in everyday life.
That sounds helpful. What should we start with?
Let's start with greetings and introductions. When you meet someone, the first thing you do is greet them. The most common greetings are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
And what should I say if someone greets me?
You can respond in the same way. For example, hi, how are you? Good morning, nice to see you. Hello, how's your day?
That's easy. But what if I meet someone for the first time?
Then you introduce yourself. You can say, my name is Emma. What's your name? I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Emma. And you?
And if someone introduces themselves to me?
You can say, nice to meet you too. It's a pleasure to meet you. Great to meet you.
That sounds easy. Can we practice?
Sure. Let's do a short conversation.
Now that I know how to introduce myself, what's next?
Next, let's learn how to ask and answer common questions. People often ask, how are you? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? Do you like something?
How should I answer?
Let's try some examples. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the UK.
That's great. What if I want to ask someone about their job?
You can say, what do you do for a living? What's your job? Where do you work?
And if someone asks me?
You can say, I'm a student. I work as a teacher. I'm an engineer.
I love eating out, but I don't know how to order food in English.
Don't worry. Here's a simple way to order food. When you enter a restaurant, the waiter might say, hello, how many people? Would you like a table for two?
And I can say?
A table for two, please. We need a table for three.
Then when they give you the menu, you can order by saying, I'd like a burger, please.
Can I have some pasta? I'll have a coffee.
What if I need to ask about the food?
You can ask, what do you recommend? What's in this dish? Is this spicy?
And how do I ask for the bill?
You can say, can I have the bill, please? Check, please.
I also love shopping. How do I ask for things in a store?
When you enter a store, you can say, excuse me, do you have this in a different size? Where can I find the shoes?
What if I want to know the price?
You can ask, how much is this? What's the price?
And when I'm ready to pay?
The cashier might ask, how would you like to pay? Do you need a bag?
And I can say,
I'll pay by card. Yes, I need a bag, please.
what if I'm lost and need directions?
You can ask, excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Where is the nearest bus stop?
And how do I understand the answer?
Here are some common responses. Go straight. Turn left/right. It's near the bank.
I hear people talk about the weather a lot. How do I join in?
You can say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's really cold today. I hope it doesn't rain.
And if someone talks to me about the weather?
Just respond naturally. For example, yes, it's really nice today. I know. It's so hot.
Wow. I've learned so much today.
That's great, Emma. Now just practice every day and your English will improve quickly.
I will. Thanks, David.
You're welcome. Keep practicing and see you next time.